Welcome back to InfinitForm. In our previous video, we demonstrated how to optimize your first design using the InfinitForm wizard. Today, we'll cover an important step, preparing your CAD assemblies for InfinitForm. Following these guidelines will ensure you achieve the best optimization results using your existing CAD tools. Properly preparing your CAD assemblies allows InfinitForm to accurately analyze and optimize your designs. By addressing a few key details before importing, you can streamline the process and achieve superior outcomes. Let's get started by reviewing InfinitForm's CAD assembly requirements. A design space consists of bodies that include both the design domain and non-designs. The design domain represents the maximum available volume for optimization, defining the boundaries within which InfinitForm will work. Ensure you allocate appropriate clearance where necessary for the final design. Non-designs are critical components that InfinitForm preserves during optimization. These include elements such as bolts, bearings, and shafts, which act as boundary conditions and define load cases for the design. Ensure that all non-designs are included within the design domain and are created as individual parts to facilitate accurate optimization. It's essential to verify the integrity of your geometry before importing. Ensure your design is watertight, with no open edges, gaps, or non-manifold elements. Address these issues in your CAD software to prevent errors during the optimization process. Finally, export your assembly in step format. InfinitForm is optimized for this widely used file type, which ensures accuracy and compatibility throughout the process. Once your assembly is prepared, upload it into InfinitForm to create your project and begin the optimization process. Following these preparation steps will ensure a seamless transition from CAD to InfinitForm. To achieve the best results, keep these best practices in mind. Simplify your geometry, use step file formats, and define your constraints early in the process. Removing unnecessary components or hardware that aren't part of the core design can also improve performance. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our next video, where we'll explore advanced optimization techniques. Ready to get started with InfinitForm? Sign up for a free trial today at InfinitForm.com.